Hello viewers, you're welcome to this lecture on the mollusks. The mollusks of the phylum Mollusca are characterized by the possession of shells and tentacles. Though it is a general characteristic of the mollusks, not all mollusks possess shells. The mollusks also possess tentacles. Now, as seen here, the slug in this video actually does not have shells. It is quite different from the snail that has shells. Now, apart from this distinctive feature that this snail and the slug has, these snails and the slugs are all gastropod mollusks. They are all mollusks of the class Gastropoda. And now, what are gastropods? Gastropods are mollusks that are characterized by the possession of muscular food, and this muscular food are usually used for locomotion, and they are just at the dorsal part of the mollusks. Now, they are called gastropods because their feet are actually close to their stomachs. Okay, gastro means stomach, then podos means feet. Now, the snails and the slugs are known to be distinct from other mollusks in that they possess two pairs of tentacles. They possess a pair of ocelliferous tentacles and a pair of tactile tentacles. Now, this is distinct from what the other mollusks have, like those of the phylum Cephalopoda. The cephalopods usually have tentacles that are up to 8, like the octopuses have 8 tentacles, then others have more than 8 tentacles. The bivalves, which are the clams, the oysters, do not have, and the oysters do not have tentacles, but they have structures that look like tentacles that are called palps. Now, the mollusks have certain anatomical and physiological features that distinguish them from others. They actually possess ctenidia, which are gills, particularly the aquatic species. They possess ctenidia for respiration, and the terrestrial ones, such as the land snails, the terrestrial ones possess lungs. The mollusks are also known to possess an open circulatory system in which the blood flows directly into the hemocoel. The blood of the mollusks is called the hemolymph. The blood of the mollusks is called hemolymph. Now, the hemolymph is that slimy liquid that's found on snails when the shell is broken. The snails also actually make use of a radula for feeding, which is also called the rasping tongue, The rasping tongue is used for feeding on on grasses or on other plants. Now, the snails are also known to inhabit both aquatic and terrestrial habitats. There are some aquatic snails and some are terrestrial. Though this slug that we're discussing about, and the other snail are actually terrestrial species. Now, the snails also have other very unique features in that they are usually hermaphroditic. So they have both male and female sexual parts. Thanks for watching this video. I believe you must have learned a lot about the mollusks.